Lesson 3, used to in the past tense. Listen to 4 conversations using used to in the past tense. Conversation 1. 2 people talk about sports. What did she used to have?
Do you play sports?
I used to play sports in high school.
Yeah, I used to play too.
Why did you stop?
No time, I guess.
Yeah, I used to have so much free time.
Me too. I miss those days.
What sports did you play?
Baseball and basketball. I used to be pretty good. Not anymore, though.
Yeah, we all get older.
Question 1. What did she used to have? The answer is free time. Conversation 2. 2 people talk about languages. Where did she used to go every year?
Do you speak any foreign languages?
I speak French a little. I used to use it all the time, but not anymore.
Really? Why is that?
Well, I used to work for a French company, and then I changed jobs.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I used to go to France once a year for work.
Lucky you. I love France.
Yeah, France is a lot of fun.
Question 2. Where did she used to go every year? The answer is France. Conversation 3. 2 people talk in their apartment hallway. What did the woman never used to miss?
Are you coming to the party?
No, I have to work.
Work? What happened? You used to never miss a party.
True, but I also didn't used to have a stressful job.
True, you used to be poor, but you were fun.
Yep, I used to be fun.
Question 3. What did the woman never used to miss? The answer is a party. Conversation 4. 2 people are talking in an office. Who used to make the man laugh?
Hey, you used to have a Spanish coworker, right?
Yeah, Maria, but she moved.
Really? That's too bad. I liked her. She used to always make me laugh.
I know, we used to have such fun together.
She was so nice. She used to give me sweets when I visited your office.
Yeah, she loved baking. She used to bring cookies and cupcakes to the office every Friday.
Sounds like you miss her.
I do. We all do.
Question 4. Who used to make the man laugh? The answer is Maria, her coworker.
Thank you for watching. Get thousands of free English lessons at English Listening Lesson Library online. Visit ello.org or click the link below. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.